Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears at home without gelatin. First, gather your ingredients. Agar-agar powder is key for a plant-based gummy. You'll need 1 tablespoon of this amazing ingredient. It's what gives our gummies that perfect, chewy texture without any animal products. This method is simple and yields delicious results every time. Next, let's talk flavor. Choose 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit juice. Apple, grape, or cherry work wonderfully. For sweetness, add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or agave nectar. If you like a little tang, a small pinch of citric acid will brighten the flavors. Combine these liquids in a saucepan, ensuring everything is well mixed before heating. Now it's time to cook. Gently heat your mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens slightly, about 5 minutes. Do not boil vigorously. Once thickened, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone gummy molds. Work quickly, as agar-agar sets faster than gelatin. Place the molds in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes until firm. Once set, pop your delicious homemade gummy bears out of their molds. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 1 week. They make a fantastic snack or a fun treat for kids and adults alike. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your gelatin-free creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.